While most water damage is not covered by a standard homeowner's insurance policy, some are. If you live in a flood zone, flood damage can be covered by the National Flood Insurance Program. If you live in such a zone, however, you may want to consider flood insurance. Your agent will be able to advise you on the appropriate coverage. Here are some things to look for. You may need to hire a professional contractor to fix the damage. The first thing you should do if you suspect you have a leak is call your insurer. Although the water damage may seem sudden, pipes and plumbing systems are not always easily visible. A leak can slowly leak over time and can be hard to spot. Therefore, your insurance policy must cover the actual damage caused by the water leak, not the source. If a pipe bursts in your home, you might need to replace it, but the cost of replacing it may not be covered by your insurance policy. You must document all damage in the event of a leak. Even small damage should be documented. Contact any contractors or plumbers that might be needed to fix the problem. Then, call your homeowner's insurance company to start the claims process. Once you've received the notice, your insurer will match you with an adjuster. The adjuster will oversee the claim process, check the damaged items, and recommend a final payout. Homeowners insurance covers water damage from broken appliances, such as a washing machine, sink, or toilet. Overflow from a body of water is not covered. If you have a leaky faucet or pipe, it is likely not covered under your policy. If you need to claim for this, you should move out of your home and add your expenses as a loss of use. In addition, your claims adjuster will check the damages to your home and determine the appropriate amount to pay. While water damage is usually a sudden event, it often occurs over a period of time. In such cases, you should call your insurance company as soon as possible so that your insurer can review the damages. The claims adjuster will assess the damage and make a decision about how much you should claim. During the process, make sure you take pictures or videotapes of the affected areas of your home. There are some types of water damage that is not covered by your policy. Sewage backup and sewer failure can also cause a lot of damage. Your homeowner's insurance policy will cover most of the repairs that are necessary to prevent further damage. You should carefully read your policy for any exclusions. Moreover, it's important to have regular maintenance of your property. If you're unable to keep up with the repairs, it's worth considering a property insurance plan. If you have water damage caused by a flood or other disaster, your homeowner's insurance policy will cover it. However, water damage caused by intentional acts, such as a backup drain, and regional flooding are not covered by the policy. In such cases, a separate flood insurance policy must be purchased. These insurance policies are usually much more expensive than their standard counterparts. Water damage caused by storms and snowfall is not covered by homeowners insurance. Heavy rain and snow can cause ice on your roof and damage to your house. If you have a frozen pipe, your insurance company will likely pay for the water damages. If your insurer covers the repair, it is likely to be worth it. If you have flood or ice damage caused by storms, you'll be glad you got coverage. Water damage caused by a leaky roof can cause serious problems for a homeowner. Not only does this cause major water damage, it can also lead to structural damage. The average cost of a water damage claim after a storm is more than $7,000, and many people only file a claim for the water damages. The cost of these repairs can add up quickly, which is why it is so important to have insurance in the first place.